on this 24-foot Bristol Corsair. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to get notifications for this job and others I have going on. What I've done here is I've replaced all the glass underneath the deck all the way forward, and I'm about to put a top coat on that. And what I've got is this pigment. Instead of looking for a paint like an all grip or what have you, I decided to go ahead and throw some pigment in with the all grip and see how that works out. Some of these spots are already prepped, and some of them need some prep, so what I'm going to do is just mix up enough for those areas that are ready. So LBI told me that I should max put 2%, rather 2 ounces to a quart of epoxy of pigment. I got ivory, which is a tan. I use this a lot on gel coat repairs because most boats are tannish. And then some white, which is really what we're going with. I'm going to go ahead and fill most of this is white, and then add a little bit to tint it of the ivory here.